Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Hello, hi, howdy. It's me, James. Yes, giving you some more words to look at. And today the words are make and do. Make and do. That's easy, isn't it? Tip of the day. Tip of the day today is smile. Yes, it'll help. Yes, if you're enjoying yourself, if you're having fun, it makes learning easier. It makes it fun. So just smile. I mean, it might even make your life better. Who knows? So first of all, we have do. Do. What do? We do work, study, and non-specific activity. Work, study, non-specific activity. And so sometimes you have to think, am I working? Yes, I am working. Do some work. Do a job. Do your homework. Do the ironing, do the laundry, do the washing up, do the shopping. This is all what we might think of as work. And so, study also. I think it's natural English to use do rather than study. Study sounds rather formal. You can say it. For example, you can say, I studied economics at Bristol, but it sounds slightly formal. I think most people say, I did economics at Bristol. And so, this is possible, isn't it? To do a course. She's doing a 3-year Spanish course. And so, non-specific activity. Yeah, so what did you do yesterday? What are you doing later? I didn't do much yesterday. And also, a couple of these things to remember. Do your best, always. Do somebody a favour. Could you do me a favour? Thank you. Do your hair if you're female. Yes, men get their hair cut, women do their hair, I think. And so, do 30 miles an hour. And I think this is like drive 30 miles an hour. And again, do is probably natural English. Then we come to make. Make. Now, this is a bit more creative. This is to do with creating, causing, or forcing. And so, for example, we make food, make something to eat, make breakfast, make a cake, or bake a cake, make pasta, make a coffee, make furniture, make clothes. And so, could you make me a coffee? Thank you very much. She makes all her own clothes. So you see, make is more create, do is more work. Cause, make something happen, make somebody feel better. Make somebody happy, make somebody laugh, make somebody cry. Bad. And then also force, make somebody do something. Dad made me go to the museum. My teacher made me learn, make and do. Collocations, folks, lots of them. And so you see, make is actually probably more useful than do in a lot of ways. Is that true? Maybe. And so, make an appointment, make an arrangement, make a decision, make a suggestion, make a promise, make a choice, make a mistake. Oh yes, we like mistakes. Make a call, make an effort, make a good impression. Make a good noise. A good noise? No, just make a noise. Make a racket, which is a lot of noise. Make a mess. So we make lots of things, don't we? We make lots of things. And also, make your bed. Make it tidy. Make sure, be certain. I always make my bed in the morning. I do actually. Not everybody does. Make sure you brush your teeth. Yeah. And so, of course, practice time is upon us, folks. Practice time. I was wondering if you could, this sounds like work to me, do the washing up tonight. I was wondering if you could do the washing up tonight. Now, this sounds like food and drink. I'm making some tea. Would you like some? Would you mind if ironing? Sounds like work to me. Would you mind if past form, if I did the ironing tomorrow? I think, yes, well, you see, this is a second conditional really, so it should be the past form, but you know what? English people don't know the language. I mean, they don't know the grammar. They just say things. And so you will hear people say, would you mind if I do the ironing tomorrow? And I kind of think, yes, it's okay. Now, study at university. Aha, this is one of our do's. What did you do at university? Eating healthily and exercising makes you feel good. Oh, not make. Two things. Make, it makes. But this is one idea. Two activities, one idea. And so I think most people will say makes because it's one idea, even though it's two exercises, if you see what I mean. Two things. Anyway, quickly on, number 6. I need to work, do. My girlfriend Made me promise to do the shopping after work. Make a promise, right? Made me promise. You will always do mistakes. Well, that is a mistake. You will always make mistakes. Just do your best. What are you making for supper? Would you like me to? Well, I think this person is making, so they just want some help, which is probably work. Aha. So, would you like me to do anything? Could you make me a favor? No, do me a favor. Could you do me a favor? Could you pop? Pop is a quick visit. Could you pop into the dentist surgery? And pop is a very common natural English word, folks, and it tells somebody you're going to do something and it's going to be short. It's going to be quick, not long, just quick. I'm popping into the supermarket. I just need to pop into the bank. Could you pop into the dentist surgery? And what do you do with appointments? You make them. Yes, you do. Shall we have some more practice, folks? Yeah. Yes, please, James. Okay, so here we go. Improve these sentences. Yesterday, Mohammed did an amazing rice dish with chicken and tomato sauce. Well, it's kind of okay, you know, but I prefer made. He made an amazing rice dish. If you don't do an effort, we don't do efforts, do we? No, we make them. To write more, then you won't do as much progress. Do we do progress? Well, no. We make progress, and so you won't make as much progress as you could. If you want to make me feel better, trick from James. It is the right verb, but it is the wrong form. If you want to make me feel better, you could do me a cup of tea. It's make, isn't it? Of course it is. You can make anything you like while I'm out, but please be making sure you lock the door when you leave. Let's straighten this one out, shall we? You can do anything you like while I'm out, but please make sure. Yes, it's the right verb, but the wrong form. Please make sure. Please make sure you lock the door when you leave. Be certain. I should get my hair made if I want to do a good impression at the interview. Well, no. I should get my hair done. I should get my hair done. If I want to, what do we do with impressions? We make them. We make a good impression at the interview. Number 16. It's difficult to decide whether to do a job you enjoy or do a job where you can do a lot of money. It's difficult to decide whether to do a job, of course, but make a lot of money. Yes, we make money. I have decided to make history at A-level, but I think I might have did the wrong decision. So, I have decided to study or do history at A-level. But I think I might have. What do we do with decisions? Do we do them or do we make them? We make them, folks. And so I might have made the wrong decision. He did a complete mess of his bedroom, so his mother made him clear it all up. He did a complete mess. We don't do messes, we make them. He made a complete mess of his bedroom, so his mother, in the past, made him clear it all up. Of course. Almost there, folks. Number 19. I tried to do, of course, right verb, wrong form. I tried to do Charlie a favor by talking to his girlfriend, but I think I do things worse. I made things worse. I caused them to be worse. I made things worse. I tried to do Charlie a favor by talking to his girlfriend, but I think I made things worse. Silly me. Do you know how to do spaghetti bolognese? Yeah, maybe, kind of, but I prefer food and drink. Of course. Do you know how to make spaghetti bolognese? I do, but be careful. Italians are very precise about how you make it, so yes. Anyway, moving quickly on to the end. And so it's time for a bit of international goodbye. Ciao. People do say ciao. We borrow words from other languages, and in this case we use ciao from Italy. Thank you very much, Italians. Ciao, everyone. And remember, if you would like to subscribe to this channel, please do. Red button, right hand corner, you know how to do. See you soon. Ciao.